freaking lip on is fire, bro.
What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl Queen Bougie, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can tell by that title, we are going to be doing another wig construction video. This time we are going to be using a new texture that we just added to Bougie Lifestyle Collection. It is our exotic wave, which is a loose wave texture. We are going to be using 16, 18, 20-inch exotic wave bundles with a 16-inch 5x5 HD closure. If you are a new viewer to this channel, how you doing, babe? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notifications for when I do upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, how you doing, babe? How you doing? Let's get right into the video. Of course, Bougie babes, what I'm doing right now is I'm just positioning the closure where I want it to sit and using my T-pins to secure it down so it does not move or anything of that nature when I am trying to sew down the closure. Now, my OG Bougie babes already know what I am about to do here. But if you don't know what I am doing, I'm starting in the middle. I am going to push it through the first time. Then the second time, I am going to tie a knot just to secure it. But anyway, typically for the closure, I always tie a knot through each pass. And I do have previous videos on where I show you that. So now what I'm about to do is sew down the bundles. As I told you guys, this is our exotic wave texture, a new texture that we just added to Bougie Lifestyle Collection. And babes, I am so in love with this texture. It's so beautiful, so bouncy. But now I am about to just sew down the bundles, and I'm going to show you how I do that here. Alright, babe, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the needle and thread through the weft of the bundle first. Then you're going to go underneath the weft the second time and tie a knot. As I always tell you, Bougie babes, please make sure that you're only sewing the bundle to the top mesh lining part on the wig cap. When you purchase your wig cap and you start to do your wig constructions, you will know what I'm talking about. And the reason why I tell you to do this is if you go through the actual band of the wig cap, your wig cap is not going to stretch and it's not going to fit the head properly. So you just want to make sure that you're only sewing on the top mesh lining part. Like I always tell you, Bougie babes, please make sure that you are doing your stitching close together and you are tying knots periodically. Y'all, if y'all do not listen to nothing else that I tell you on my channel, please make sure to listen to that. Okay? All right, babe, so we are done with the first bundle and we're going to go ahead and get into the second bundle. And I am going to show you guys how I just like to connect the previous bundle and the new bundle that you're sewing down together and just continue down with the sewing process. Now, y'all already know to go ahead and cut the black mesh part underneath the closure. Nobody has a black scalp, so please make sure that you cut that off so it does not look like a wig. So for this unit, I wanted to put a little blonde streak in the front. I thought it would be cute. So that is what you see me doing now. I never really used aluminum foil when doing the bleaching. However, I am trying to be less messy when I create my unit. So let's try it out together. Y'all, please don't kill me, but I did not record the curling process, but I did just go ahead and throw some wand curls in her. Y'all know that is my favorite type of curls. But again, we did use our new texture, our exotic wave texture, inches 16, 18, 20, with a 16-inch 5x5 HD closure. All of the details and everything will be in the description box below. Again, Bougie Babes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can get notifications for when I do upload a new video. And until next time, Bougie Babes, love ya. Mwah.